blood pressure, or hypertension, can have a number of harmful effects on the body over time, including increased risk of heart disease. High blood pressure can damage the walls of the arteries, making them more prone to the buildup of plaque, which can lead to heart disease. Increased risk of stroke. High blood pressure can cause the arteries in the brain to narrow, increasing the risk of stroke. Kidney damage. High blood pressure can damage the small blood vessels in the kidneys, reducing their ability to filter waste from the blood. Vision loss. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in the eyes, leading to vision problems or even blindness. Sexual dysfunction. High blood pressure can affect blood flow to the genitals, leading to erectile dysfunction in men and reduced libido in both men and women. Cognitive decline. High blood pressure can lead to cognitive decline and an increased risk of dementia. Aneurysm. High blood pressure can cause the walls of weakened blood vessels to bulge and potentially burst, leading to serious internal bleeding. Peripheral artery disease. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels in the arms and legs, leading to reduced blood flow and pain when walking. It's important to note that high blood pressure often has no symptoms, which is why it's often called the silent killer. Regular blood pressure monitoring and lifestyle modifications, such as maintaining a healthy diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and quitting smoking, can help prevent and manage high blood pressure and its associated complications, without the need for a stethoscope. The American Heart Association was established in 1924 and has played a significant role in the development of blood pressure guidelines and standards. The first comprehensive set of blood pressure guidelines was published by the AHA in 1949 and has since been revised several times to reflect new research and understanding of blood pressure. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can help lower blood pressure by making the heart stronger and improving circulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Reduce sodium intake. Too much salt in your diet can raise blood pressure. Try to limit your daily sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams (mg). Eat a healthy diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein can help lower blood pressure. Avoid processed foods and those high in saturated and trans fats. Maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can increase blood pressure. Losing just a few pounds can make a significant difference. Limit alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can raise blood pressure. Men should limit their intake to no more than 2 drinks per day, while women should have no more than 1. Quit smoking. Smoking can damage blood vessels and increase the risk of high blood pressure. Quitting smoking can improve overall health and lower blood pressure. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can raise blood pressure. Try stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can contribute to high blood pressure. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Monitor blood pressure regularly. Regular monitoring can help you keep track of changes and identify potential issues early on. Avoid caffeine. Caffeine can temporarily raise blood pressure. Limit your intake or switch to decaffeinated beverages. Seven foods that are beneficial to high blood pressure. Maintaining a healthy diet is essential to managing blood pressure. Here are some foods that are beneficial for blood pressure. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are high in potassium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Oily fish. Oily fish such as salmon and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats are high in fiber, which can help lower blood pressure. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are high in potassium and magnesium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Yogurt. Yogurt is high in calcium, which can help regulate blood pressure. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate is high in flavonoids, which can help reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. It's important to note that while these foods can be beneficial for blood pressure, they should be consumed as part of a balanced and healthy diet. Please, if you like this video and wishes to be advised of new upload, please like, subscribe and make sure to hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy.